Welcome back. In the garb of food security, government supplies subsidized food grains through fair price shops for card holders. But the stock this time has a variety of additional free stuff with this subsidized food like stones, dust, mud and even waste of rats and cockroaches. Here is sorry state of affairs at fair price shops. Dinesh Karpe reports.
This is a fair price shop at Akshi. This is the rice government serves under the grab of food security. Have a close watch. The quota coming from Food Corporation of India sends some complimentary and free ingredients with this subsidized stuff. Stones, dust, garbage and garnished with waste of rats and cockroaches. Have a look. Doubt even animals would consume it. Even pets have a better and hygienic diet these days.
इतले वसले बोकडी आगलेले मागीर उंदीर आगलेले आनी पळय पळय कसली कसली पळय ते हे हा ते सगळे हे दिताय ही भुरगी माझी मरपा हे कोत्ताय.
He blames the local government and public representative.
कॉन्सुलेटीचो एमएलए विष्णू वाघ तो सगळे एमएलए उलयता सगळे पार्लमेंटाक उलयता असो तसो उलयता तो आनी तसोच पारेकारी उलयता तो सांगता आम सोसायटीचो सांगता आपणाक म्हणटा तशें येताय शिवलेलेच येताय म्हणटा तो.
We question the fair price shop owner. He says it is not his fault. He distributes whatever he receives. Moreover, he says it's a regular affair.
कितलो तांदूळ येता 12 टन येता 12 टन तुका कितलो असलो कुसलो मेवता आमकां दिलो तसलो 10-15 साक तुका आमकां दिलो तसलो कुसलो मेवता साक.
This is the state of affair at Akshi Fair Price Shop. Government is busy self-praising itself. Nutrition, food security, a whole lot of promises on paper. But ground reality is a disaster. Is this the nutrition and secure food government talks about? Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It is now clear that municipalities will host the Shigmo festival in the state, this time with model code of conduct and force. The efforts of Shigmo committees to petition the Election Commission turned almost futile after Tourism Department refused to listen to their grievances. The agitated committee members are annoyed with the Tourism Department's act and has threatened of agitation if their plea is not addressed. The Shigmo committee members had visited the Tourism Department to submit the memorandum opposing department's directions of hosting Shigmo under the banner of municipality. However, the department refused to accept the memorandum.
इलेक्शन कोड लागला अशें ते सांगता तेन्ना आमी ते एंट्री दिले एंट्री दिवन आमी एक्नॉलेजमेंट बी केला डॉक्युमेंट्स.
Panicked Shigmo Utsav committee members from all over Goa had also marched the Election Commission earlier on Friday. They submitted a memorandum to the Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Nauti.
कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट म्हणून ह्याच्या आधाराचेर जे हे लोक सांगूंक लागले आमकां की आमकां काय ना हे कोड ऑफ कंडक्टाक लागून तुमकां अशें करचें पडटलें आनी तांचें म्हणणें कितें ना तुमी कितें खर्च केला तो बी सगळें आसूं न्ही पण तुमी आमकां वॉलंटियर दिया सगळें आमी करतले तुमी आमकां हातभार लावा.
However, Nauti says Election Commission has no role to play in this case.
But whatever instructions have been given to them by Department of Tourism, I will just send this representation to them to have a relook at this.
Video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Absconding builder of the collapsed Ruby residency appeared before the High Court with a plea to cancel demolition of 2 other adjacent buildings. In its petition, accused builders have requested the court to constitute a private committee of experts to assess the stability of the buildings. An expert committee constituted by Goa government has declared that both the buildings are unstable and dangerous for occupancy. Meanwhile, accused municipal engineer Ashank Naik Gaonkar has surrendered before crime branch. A Shangnai Gaonkar has issued recommendation letter on the basis of Chief Officer of Kankon had renewed construction license and had issued occupancy certificates.
This part of building at Kankon collapsed on 4th January. 31 labourers died and many were injured in the tragedy. When everybody was concerned about the safety of the injured labourers, accused builders of Ruby Residency were striving to save the remaining 2 connected structures. Accused builder Pradeep Singh Baring filed a petition before the High Court pleading not to demolish remaining 2 connected buildings. In his petition filed before the High Court, Pradeep Singh Baring has pleaded to constitute a private committee of experts to assess the stability of the buildings before taking any decision. A committee constituted by the government comprising of experts from Goa Engineering College had pointed out that both the structures are as unstable as collapsed building. Builders have contended that the report given by government constituted committee may be biased. The High Court will hear this matter on 9th April. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.